The first step in making our Northern Spirit Flute is taking the piece called the Roost and gluing it to the tubing. As you can see, the tubing has 2 notches cut out of it. And the underside of the Roost is designed to fit precisely into those 2 notches like this. Now what you want to be careful of is that the larger hole, the slow air chamber hole, and the end with the notch fits right here to the blow end of the flute. Now we're going to take it back off, and I'm going to demonstrate how we get the glue onto the bird. What you want to do is just put a small bead of glue around the perimeter. Then I'm not going to squeeze any more glue on, but I'm going to use the tip of the tube just to spread the glue. After you've done about a half a dozen, you start to get a sense of how much glue you actually need to use. Now just take the Roost, turn it upside down, make sure I have the notch end where the blow end is. If I make a mistake, I've got a couple seconds to recover. Then I press firmly down on the Roost, on the sides, on the edges. If I've used a little too much glue, it's going to squish out, as you can see here. So then I'm going to take Q-tips to clean up the edges to begin with. It's best to use lots of Q-tips and kind of twist as you're going along. It makes for cleaner work. I flip this around, and now I'm taking the other end. Then on the other side, I'm going to do the same. Flip it around. Once I've done the sides, I'm going to go back into the inside. In this close-up, you can see how there's glue that is squished out from pressing the 2 pieces together on the inside of the flute. What you want to do is take your Q-tip and push the glue downwards. Turn the Q-tip and then pull it out. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. Trying to push it in, and then pull the Q-tip out. Don't be scared to take another Q-tip and just make sure that you've got the excess. And we'll do the same thing on this side again. Once you've done that, just take the tube and take a look at the inside. Bend a Q-tip like an L, and then take the Q-tip and you put it in, and you wipe from one side to the other. Then you go in, bend the Q-tip again, and go into the second hole, and repeat procedure.